This is Jasmine Phillips, and I am going to go over some information with you that you submitted. So you said you're in the Math 73 and going to take the 150. Looks like you've already passed English 1A. You're going to do the 1C, so that's great. So on the planning sheet for your transfer educational planning sheet, the English 1A, one sequence just goes here. Oops, 1C. And then the math, you said like you're already up to the 150, right? So that goes there. And let's see, what else did you put down here? Oh, you had 73, 150. So 73, 150. Oops. Must be a little late here. There we go. Okay. So let's look at your major classes. And you're going to go to Dominguez for what does it says my unofficial transcripts are unavailable. So you want to make sure that with your unofficial transcripts being unavailable, that you have checked with admissions and records to make sure that you're able to get those when you need them. So let me look up this document here. Oh, this is assist.org. Oh, it doesn't bring anything up. Okay, well, let's keep going here. El Camino page 287 in the catalog. 287 in the catalog is nursing. Okay, that's right. You were going to nursing at Compton College. Okay, so right here it says a couple of requirements for you. But also these are kind of broken down a bit more on the transfer sheet. So let's see, or the document here. Okay, so one thing that, or a couple things that have changed lately with nursing is that they want you to have MedTerm 1, they want you to have Psych 16 before you are going to go into the program. They're going to want you to do Anatomy 32 and Physio 31. And they're going to want you to do Micro 33, and usually you do that Chem 20 prerequisite. All right, so those are like your science type courses. They want you to have that Math 73 done in the English 1A, which you already do have that completed. And the nursing classes, there's 3 of them now. It'll be nursing 143, and then nursing 144, and then the dosage calculation course, which is nursing, no, that's 143. Nursing 146. So 143 is the intro, 144 is dosage calculation, and 146 is a health assessment. All right, and then those are your 3 nursing courses. You have to scroll down here, and way over here, it says Social 101, it says Psych 5, and then English 1B or 1C or speech. Usually students just do English 1C. So this looks like this on this sheet here. Transfer major sheet, you have a Nat 32, Chem 20, Micro 33, Physio 31, Psych 5, Psych 16, and then Soc 101, 101, and then you have English 1C, and then the 3 nursing courses. So nursing, and then nursing. It was 140. What was it? 143, 140, 143, 144, and 146. 143, 144, and 146. And I think that was everything. So, oh, MedTerm. That's right. MedTerm 1. So that should be everything. So you had English, Psych, Soc, Nursing, Anatomy, Chem, Micro, Physio, and then you had MedTerm and Psych 16. And you already have English 1A and the Math 73. So that, you look these up to find their units, and then you look them up to see they have the prerequisites. Yes, the Anatomy, Chem, Micro, Physio have prerequisites. And then here on the CSU side, you follow the general education in the catalog for CSU. So that's going to be like on around page, this is Getty, and CSU should be right here. Okay, so CSU on page 79, CSU general education starts. So you have area A, you have 1, 2, and 3. This corresponds with your document A1, A2, A3. So you have Communication Studies 100, you have English 1A and English 1C. So that's what you write down here. Communication Studies 100, English 1A, English 1C. Now your science classes are chosen for you already. So B1, B2 in your lab are going to be some science classes that you're taking already. So you're not going to count the units again. And English 1C, you're not going to count those units again because you're counting the 1C unit here, and then you're counting your science class units here on the major side. So for example, B1, B, 9 semester units is what you need. You need a classroom B1. You're already going to have to do Chem 20. So B1, Chem 20, it's 4 units, and when you look it up, you'll put it on the right-hand side instead of the GE. B2, you see that B2, you're going to do the Anatomy 32. I think that's 4 units as well. But you're just going to put down Anatomy 32 and leave the units over here. Now the lab, both of these have a lab, so you don't need to worry about that. You could just put a little line. B4 is Math 150. So you're going to put those units there. B4 right here, Math 150 right there. Area C, you are going to choose one class from C1, one class from C2, and one more from either one. So usually what happens is you'll do like a History 101, and then you will do one more of your choice from each area. So for example, you could put History 101 and then one more of your choice in each area. Now, the D1, D2, D3 actually are, you already are taking Psych 5, Psych 16, and Social 101. Those are all in this area, so you do not have to recount the units. And then in your area E, so that was area D, and what we just wrote down was Psychology 5, Psychology 16, and Social 101. Then you have area E, Lifelong Learning, and this is where Human Development 110 comes into play. So you would write down HD 110. And you look up the units, and then you put the prerequisites over here on this side, and then you are ready to put your total GE units here in any major, and then total it out. You do not need any electives. You have plenty of classes. Once you do this correctly, then you can submit it, and then you can go on to putting your fall 2018 classes in this semester here, and then you move on to winter, spring, summer, and everything that you haven't taken already goes from the planning sheet onto page 3. Basically, you can cross off something. Say you've already taken like anatomy, so you can maybe highlight that in red, right? And then you'll know as you go through what you have left over and what is going to go on your educational plan. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to help. And I forwarded you a full copy of your transcripts already, so look at that so that you can do this correctly. All right, talk to you later. Bye.